Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Srijita. Today's video, it's a collaboration video. It's a collaboration with a beauty brand called Bestope. Bestope beauty products you can get from Amazon, as I got mine from Amazon too. I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got one straightener and one makeup brush set. So this Bestope brand has really good reviews on their products. I'm going to share this both product link in my description box below, so that you guys go and check that out. And this video will be in two parts. Today in this part I'm just going to show you guys what the products are. I did not even open it. I was opening the products as you guys can see, but I did not open. So I'm going to do that in front of you guys and show you guys what the product look like. And the next part will be the reviews, the hair straightening reviews, so that you guys have a good knowledge about these products if you guys consider it to buy from Amazon. So yeah, let's get on this video now. So this is how it looks. The first thing catches my eye is this silicone sleeve, which is really good for storage. And also if you after use you can just put it in and not worry about it when it's hot. So yeah, that's very useful thing. I never see this kind of a thing came with a straightener before, because I have two other straighteners which doesn't have this kind of a sleeve or cap thing. So yeah, that's really good for storage. And also when it's hot, you can just put it in and leave it like that way, just not worrying about it. So yeah, and this is how it looks, this straightener. It has a very beautiful rose gold ceramic plates on it, and the size of the plates is 1 inch. And yeah, it has a digital LCD display right here. When you plug in the straightener, it will show up here the temperature. I'm going to show you guys in the next clip that. And yeah, and the plates, it's not fixed, it's 3D floating one, so it's gonna make easy to straighten your hair, I believe. And what else, it has this 360-degree rotating cord, so whenever you're moving around while straightening your hair, it's not gonna tangle it. So this rotating cord, it's gonna prevent getting tangled easily, so that's really a plus thing. And the other feature is it has a 60-minute auto shut off feature. Like if you, after using the straightener, if you forget to turn off or forget to unplug it, it will automatically turn off after an hour. So yeah, that's the feature. And yeah, that's the some features which I have shared you guys. Now the next clip, today I have washed my hair, tomorrow I'm going to straighten my hair with this, and then I'm going to show you guys the actual review, how it works and all. So yeah, stay tuned. It's a 14 set Bestope makeup brush kit, which comes with this paper where it tells you that which brush is for what purposes. So there is blush brush, foundation brush, multifunction brush, eyeshadow brush. So there is 14 brushes for 14 different purposes for your face makeup. So yeah, that's that. And it also comes with this tote bag, so when you travel you just keep the brushes in here and you're good to go. So really, now comes to the packaging wise. Each and every brush is packaged so well, as you guys can see. And yeah, each brush has this transparent net kind of a thing in here. And these brushes are really well made, really sturdy, and the bristles are so soft and fluffy, and it doesn't have any smells. This brush set is so reasonable, and with this price, this kind of a good quality brushes, I love it. If you guys want me to do a makeup video using these brushes, you can comment it down below so that I get to know. If you guys want me to do it, then I'll do it using these brushes. So yeah. I'm going to heat it up at 450, the highest temperature, because I have a very thick hair. So yeah, and this straightener has tourmaline ceramic plates that heats up really quickly and leaves the hair shiny and frizz free, which you can see at the end of this video how my hair looks. Before straightening my hair, I'm going to apply this heat protectant serum. So as you guys can see, after using it once or twice through my hair, it straightens my hair so nicely. It's really a very good quality hair straightener with the reasonable price. I really like it. So yeah guys, that is all from my today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.